60 Golf Bomb Tower, runway 15, clear to land. Number 2, following helicopter, short final.
Clear to land, number 2, runway 15, looking for the helicopter, 60 Golf.
Very good. Little bit slow. All right, we're gonna let those needles come back in. Start flaring. Pull power. There you go. Come forward. We're gonna fly on away. Tell them that we're on the go. I'm a plane.
Bowen Tower, helicopter 160 November Hotel on the go.
Helicopter 160 November Hotel, thank you. Extend your upwind.
Extending upwind, 160 November Hotel.
You have all flight controls.
I have all flight controls.
Perfect.
This 710 Golf Golf.
Very good.
It's going to be